Hi, hope you and your family are doing great. Today I'm going to discuss about love and arranged marriage on your palm. Your palm can reveal everything about your future partner. What if your hand is already showing how you will marry and whether your marriage will be happy or full of problems? Your palm line don't just show your future, they reveal your love life, your partner's nature, even your marriage will succeed or fail. So now let me guide you step by step how you can check from your palm that it is a love marriage or the arranged marriage. So first you need to understand the three important lines on your palm to understand about your marriage life. So first is your heart line. So this is your heart line. Second is your marriage line, which is below your little finger. And the third most important thing is a mount of the Jupiter, which is below your index finger. So these three, with the help of these three things, you can predict about someone's married life, and it will be a love marriage or the arranged marriage, and the quality of the marriage. So first, the heart line. The heart line, which is this heart line, shows your emotions, your love nature, relationship, tells how you connect with the family and the partner. Second most important line, that is a marriage line, found on the side of the little finger. This shows the number of serious relationship or the marriage, also shows the depth of connection. And third, the most important, is the mount of the Jupiter, which is located below the index finger, shows the marriage stability, respect in the society. Will you get the respect from your partner or not? Your family life and your children. This is the most powerful factor for a successful marriage life. If these three are if these three lines are well settled on your palm, that means that you have a happy married life. If you have one marriage line, so the below the little finger is your marriage line, and here if you have a one marriage line, you don't fall in love easily, you are not attracted towards multiple relationship, you prefer peace and stability in your life. If there is a one single marriage line on your palm, that represent you will be having a one strong stable partner, and that will be a happy marriage with the other signs should also be good. Second most important thing is a sign that is a strong Jupiter planet. Jupiter planet, which is a karak of your marriage and which represent you are very lucky career wise, money wise, as well as relationship wise. So as much as the Jupiter planet is strong as shown in your palm, this represent you will be having a good and stable marriage life. If you have a box life, if you have a fish sign on your Jupiter mount, if you have a fish sign on your Jupiter mount, or you have a cross on your Jupiter mount. So here, if you have a cross, or you have a fish sign on the Jupiter mount, or you have a square or box on the Jupiter mount, that represent that you will be having a good partner, and this particular area should be a bulging one, should be raised. This and the index finger should be longer as compared to the ring finger. So when you compare these two finger, so index finger should come longer as compared to the ring finger. This means that you have a strong Jupiter planet. If you have a strong Jupiter planet, then you get a very good partner. You will be going to get a Lakshmi type wife, a respected husband. Growth and money will increase after marriage. Your partner will be very lucky to you, and after marriage you are going to see increase in your income and the quality of your life too. High confidence and the strong family values too. If the Jupiter planet is seen strong on your palm, you will get a big respect in the society, you will get good name, fame and success in the society. If a person have a multiple marriage line, like here, if a person have a multiple marriage line, like if a person have a two marriage line, this represent one serious relationship before marriage, but marriage happens with someone else. Still okay if Jupiter is strong. You have a two marriage line and the Jupiter is strong. That means before marriage you may have a serious relationship with someone, but marriage happens with someone else. uh, if you have a three marriage line, this represent three marriage line or more lines on your marriage part, this represent multiple attraction, or deep connections in the life. If Jupiter is strong, marriage will still be good. If the Jupiter is strong, because Jupiter is the most important planet for the marriage, if the Jupiter is strong, then marriage will still be good. Still, if you have a three lines below your little finger. Sign of the weak Jupiter. What are the sign that will be shown on your palm related to the weak Jupiter? So the sign of the weak Jupiter on the palm represent, first, this particular area is not raised. This particular area is flat or hollow. Index finger shorter than the ring finger. So when you compare the index finger and the ring finger, then the index finger is shorter as compared to the ring finger. This represents that you have a weak Jupiter planet and you are going to face a problem related to the marriage. Small cutting lines on the lifeline. So this is your lifeline. If this is cut like this, or there is a cross on the lifeline, or in any way there are the cuts on the lifeline, this represent that the quality of the marriage will not be so great, and this represent the weak Jupiter planet too. Problems you may face in life: low confidence, poor decision making, lot of family conflicts, domestic happiness will be missing in life, and you will face problem in attracting the right partner. Not only that, you will face problem with the children or childbirth too. Even if the marriage life looks perfect, problem can still happen. If this particular marriage life is perfect, problem may still happen if the Jupiter planet is weak shown on your palm. What is a sign of the arranged marriage on your palm? So the sign of the arranged marriage on your palm is the first sign which shows that the person will be having an arranged marriage. When you have a strong influence of the benefic planet in your life, you have a strong Jupiter planet, straight marriage line. There is no cut, no cross on the marriage line. That means that, and the round and the clear lifeline. This is round, no cut, no cross. This represent that you will be going to have a arranged marriage. Family will come first for you. You will wait for the parents' approval. Marry within the same caste and the same status too. What is the sign of the love marriage on your palm? So the first sign which shows that the person will be having a love marriage, the marriage line bent towards the heart line. So the marriage line is not straight, it is bending towards the heart line. This is a heart line and it is bending towards the heart line. V shape, V, like this is a ring finger, and such type of sign below your ring finger, that is called the sun finger. Long heart line reaching to the index finger. There is a long heart line and it is reaching to the index finger. It is moving towards the index finger. This represent there is a very high possibility of you getting love marriage. What will be the nature? You are very romantic, very honest, emotional. At time you are selfless too. Love marriage, success or failure. If you're going for a love marriage, will you get success or failure? Successful love marriage, love sign present, which I have already discussed, but the Jupiter planet is weak. You have all the love line sign, but this Jupiter planet is weak shown on your palm. This represent you will be going to choose a wrong partner and regret, or there is a possibility of the divorce too. You need to remember that whenever you're checking your palm, it is a love marriage or the arranged marriage, and how will be your married life. Make sure try to check both the palm. It will be going to give you better understanding about your karma and destiny. Do let me know in the comment what all sign you have. Still you have any question, you can ask me on the comment. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.